1 cubic meter of natural gas carries the weight of thousands of kilometers of cross-border cooperation, spanning from Central Asia to China. It also carries the warmth for countless families. But what else does 1 cubic meter of natural gas represent?
The responsibility of energy supply and safeguarding people's livelihoods.
Транснациональное сотрудничество и совместного использования ресурсов.
交易公平与数据透明的守护。
Here lies the Kogurs military station, just 4 kilometers from the China-Kazakhstan border. It is a critical hub of China's first transnational natural gas pipeline. It marks the end point of Central Asia gas pipeline and serves as a scale for international gas trade. On the first day of every month, Kazakh employees from Sino Pipeline International Company, Asia Gas Pipeline Limited Liability Partnership, join Chinese custom military officials at the Kogurs military station to complete the metering and transfer of natural gas for international trade. In the depths of winter, as the natural gas demand peaks, the Kogurs military station takes on the critical responsibility of ensuring energy supply during the season. Every set of data, every verification performed here is vital to keeping countless homes warm. Yet, the story of this military station extends far beyond transfer documents. Along this vital energy artery, employees from both countries work together, building bridge cross cultures.
We are not only colleagues, but also friends. We live together, eat together, and work together. We together inspect pipelines and together solve unexpected issues. We teach them Chinese language and they teach us Kazakhstan. Sometimes we teach them how to use chopsticks and they introduce us to specialties such as milk, meat, and tea.
The pipeline not only connects Central Asia and China, but also links the heart of Chinese and Kazakh employees. 1 cubic meter of natural gas traverses the Central Asia steppes and the vast expanse of China, warming countless homes in the depths of winter and breathing enduring vitality into international energy cooperation.